QUARTZSITE, Arizona for the big Q24. We're getting ready right now. And mopped. The sink has been cleaned. Bed made, the sheets clean. We're getting ready. Gasoline for that thing right there. We're getting ready. The rig has been washed. We're getting ready. The truck was washed. We're getting ready. Propane tanks topped off. We're getting ready. Batteries charged up. We're getting ready. Lots of water, lots of snacks, lots of flags, lots of water. We're getting ready. We're getting ready. We're getting ready. Here with the Lost RVers getting ready for the Q24 QUARTZSITE 2024 meetup. I convinced my wife to trade in her Samsung 22 for an iPhone ProMax. This is like a little battle of the sexes here. She with her new iPhone 15, me with my old iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's 9 times. That's as far in as I can go, I believe. Yeah. And we back out to 3 times. Patty's. What is that? The i15 Pro Max at what telescopic length? 15. 15. And you're on that bird.
Yep.
Yeah, that's 9 times. That's as far in as I can go, I believe. Yeah. I'm at 9 times right there. i14 Pro Max. Look at the difference. I'm about 35 feet away from her. Now these mics apparently are on the same frequency, and we're testing to see whether she's picking up my voice from here on her receiver on her phone. At the same time, I'm picking up my voice on my receiver on the phone I'm holding in my hand. Again, this is iPhone 14. She's holding the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a transmitter microphone. Her one time. That's her one time. And now this is my one time. Okay, on this test, I'm just going to roll down my window. I'm using a very inexpensive external mic.
Well, my husband just dropped his phone, so I'm picking up the slack and inside.
$1,500 phone. Our last test was just driving down this back road at dusk. What a difference. I'm on the left, she's on the right. Look at the difference in the light captured with her phone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max compared to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Wow. Well, we got the hang of the phones. This is the big one, folks. This is the big RV road trip. This is our 50th RV road trip since we began this adventure. 50, folks. Number 50. Thanks for watching the Lost RVers. It's been a blast as you're reading as it goes. It's been a blast, folks. It couldn't have been any better, actually. So, this is 2024. I hope everybody has a great time in their RVs, and we will see you on the road. Better than that, we'll see you in QUARTZSITE in 3 days. See you there.